We moved into the space right after winter break. January 4th is when we started seeing our first students in this building. So I was really, really excited to have a space designed especially for us. I've never worked in a space like this before, so to finally set foot in here and have a space all for our own it's unbelievable.
Our space has 2 audiology sound booths where we conduct diagnostic testing to determine what someone's hearing is, what they are getting with their hearing aid on, or how they're perceiving speech with or without their hearing aids. We have 2 counseling or fitting rooms, which you see right here, which is a nice private place to talk to families about results. We can program hearing aids here and give students and families sort of orientation about new equipment. And just, it's a really nice space to have those private conversations that we didn't necessarily have before.
So our screening program covers the entire county, so there's about 57,000 screenings roughly.
When students come, they maybe are a child who failed a school screening, or they are going through the IEP process and they have speech concerns, and a lot of times we're the first stop along the way to make sure that hearing is not impacting their speech. Parents might have a concern. They just don't think their child is hearing like they should.
Our services are primarily to support all of that testing and all of that information that's coming from that more clinical setting, and make sure that our teachers know how to best effectively use that. And some of our families just don't have access to that kind of medical treatment. Our facility, again, offering services free of charge, really allows there to be equity for all of our families. Our clinic really is more than just the 4 walls that we're within. I think that our clinic is our entire team. It's our audiologists, it's our support staff, it's our entire deaf and hard of hearing, community within Special School District.
I love my coworkers. We really are a very tight-knit bunch, good friends, and we have a lot of fun. And the new space is just so functional, and it makes our job a lot easier. And it's what's best for students and their families.
With educational audiology, you really get to know your families that you're working with, and you really get to know the students, and you get to grow with them. So I've been here long enough that I've had my kids come in from kindergarten, and I've now seen them graduate, so which is really, it's fun to see them grow along that process.
I just love working here. I'm the newest team member. The people here are so warm, and you can tell that they really care about their jobs and the people that they serve. And to be a part of that, it's just the most special feeling.